I feel very strong and stable in my body. I really feel good with it. I don't know if it's because of enema and because I lost my gut microbiome. It was not like anything big, but my mood was not so good. There was this uncle who had intense pain in his ear, like really bad. So his brother went to get some medicine for him, saying it must be some insect or bug. In the meanwhile, the uncle got some time in the washroom and he did some enema. After that, all the pain was gone. The brother came back and he told him that my ear pain is gone. So the brother said, I'm sorry for blaming the insect. It was a constipation. So constipation is the father of all diseases. You know how, right? You're eating all that crap, all the burgers, all the wheat, everything is sticky. It just gets stuck in the gut. It gets stuck in the small intestines and in the large intestines. The bigger the belly line, the smaller the lifeline. I'm not trying to make fun of people. I just want to clear out that constipation causes diseases. And when we clear out our intestines through different foods, through different juices and enema, we can get cured of a lot of diseases. So it's the second day of doing enema again, and I shut the second time and I had mucus coming out again, and then I was feeling a little bit low energy, so I lost my gut microbiome. I don't know. Maybe it's also because I'm kind of like experimenting with my food and I only had juices, and I lost poop. But I'm feeling all right. So all the toxins which are there, they block the absorption of foods in our system, and wherever these toxins are getting accumulated is where we are getting the disease. What's enema? In the ancient time, there were some saints sitting by the river, and then they saw this bird. I will show you, this one. It's called ibis. And this bird was cleaning her ass with water. And then only they got this idea of cleaning the body from the inside with water. This is enema. It's also called Basti Kriya in ancient medicine. Before, the yogis used to do it without the kit by training their muscles and their body. So there's another story in this book where there was this guy who used to go to the river and suck his stomach in and do something called akuchan kriya, and then suck the water in through the rectum. And after that, he would come out and allow the water to go out. Amazing, right? Some amazing stuff they're doing over there. And this is called enema. I was not sure like if I really wanted to do it, but then I was like, I will give it a try. I did enema day before yesterday, and yesterday I was not feeling very good. I don't know if it's because of gut microbiome. I was just feeling, or maybe it's detox. I have no idea. It was not like anything big, but my mood was not so good. Some people also say that it disturbs our gut microbiome, which probably must be true. It is something unnatural that we're doing to the body. But I wanted to give it a try because I think the gut microbiome, if you're not doing it consistently and too often, can regenerate itself quite fast, and it's just water. So I wanted to just experience how it is. Hey guys, so I tried enema again and I gave a break of one day to do it. I really feel good with it. I feel so light in my stomach. It's really nice, and I think it gives me mind clarity and like just a different energy in my body, like a very calm feeling. I think the best is to keep your body clean by eating really good food. But since all of us are not doing it and we are living in an environment which is not very clean, and we're putting in all kinds of foods in our system and the air is not fresh, so maybe, especially for people who are sick, they can try enema to clean their colon and make sure that they're eating good food along with that, and give it a try. If it works, why not? All the animal products, all the wheat, all the burgers, all the chips, they get stuck in our gut, and that causes blockages. I will show you a few pictures where you can understand what happens with your gut. I'm sorry, it can be scary, but awareness is the key to change. So this is a healthy colon, and this is all different kinds of colons that we get from the kind of food that we eat. All these problems, right? So the idea is to get to this by eating good food and maybe trying enema. Everything can be healed. Don't be scared. Our bodies are a miracle. One step at a time is all you need to do for getting on a healing journey. I was very curious and I want to be at superhuman levels in my body, and that's why I decided to give it a try. About the gut microbiome, I think if you do it too often, then you might clear out all the gut microbiome that you have, and they might not be able to regenerate. But I don't know. I'm not an expert in it. This is how I feel. To each his own. People who are doing it, no judgments. Maybe they need it, and it's okay. Maybe they have systems to regenerate their gut microbiome, or maybe it's just okay to do it consistently as well. I don't know. For me, I am just trying it out for once. I don't want to certainly keep doing it. I want to keep my body self-sustainable as my environment, and use less and less things to keep myself in health. But maybe in an environment which is polluted and the food which is not good, it's good to do it consistently. For me, it's just trial, and I want to share what I experienced. I also wanted to tell you that you're made of all the gut microbiomes, and you need them. You are actually a host for them. Your life is dependent on them. The bacteria, the viruses, all of them. Not only dependent, the purpose of your life is to keep them alive. So don't get rid of them. They're you. Your body is made of them, and you need them. You need to have a balance of these gut microbiomes. Did you know that you can even clean your vagina? It's a gift from my friend. I haven't used it yet, but probably in future I would. I don't know. If I do it, I'll let you know. And you can even clean your eyes with this. Put water. Interesting stuff, right? So I'm gonna now share with you the enema kit and how to do it. Here is the kit. So this is the portion which you put in your rectum, and this is the water. I usually use water from rain harvested water or from our well. Natural water is good. Don't use water from the normal tap. It might have fluoride or chlorine depending on where you live, and that is not good for your gut microbiome. Use the water that you're drinking. Any clean water is good. And there is this space here which can be used for managing the flow. So you can see it's very easy system. You can press it and then it stops, and you like unpress it and the water flows. I bought it through Amazon and it was very cheap, around 200 or 300 rupees. And how do you do it? So you have to do it advisably after you go to the loo, and then put this part, this much, in your ass hole in your rectum, and then allow the water to flow in. You can lie down on the left side and then do it. As you lie down, put the water in your system, and the level of water, I would say, is when you start feeling uncomfortable, you can stop it, and then you will get more of an idea how much water you should have. Eventually, as you practice, you know how much to have. You should keep it in your system for 10 minutes, but some people take time to keep it and they just want to go to the loo. So it's not necessary that you keep it for a long time. You can tap your belly and massage it a little bit. Move your body. I'll show you how. You can move your body a little bit if you're lying down like this. Go on your back and then move it up. This is what I did as well to keep it there for 10 minutes. I usually do it lying down, but this is for standing up. And then if you're a mother and doing it to a child, oh, that's not a child, that's if you're lying down. and if you're a mother and doing it to a child. I don't recommend this. This is what I found in the book, and the lady says that all the fever will go away with this. So all kinds of diseases can be cured with using enema, is what the Ayurvedic and the traditional medical system of India says. So now you can check out my experiences, day 1 and day 2. Hey guys, I just tried enema for the first time, and I must say that I'm feeling pretty good. I feel very strong and stable in my body. The poop that came out didn't smell at all, and it was like undigested food, and it looked yellow. I'm sorry, I have to share all of this since we are talking about a subject like that. And yeah, it was a good experience. I was a little bit scared in the beginning, so I just did like half of it, and I was like, oh, I need to go. And then I went to the second part of the water, the half that was left, and this time I was quite calm. It's an experience, it can't really be put in words, because I've seen videos before of people trying enema, and yeah, like I definitely loved it a lot. I was just like feeling poopy, and then I was like moving the water in my system by just not going to poop instantly. In the second time, the first time I just like went to poop because I had no idea what was happening, and I was kind of doubtful. But in the second go, the second part of the water, it was I was just allowing it to be in my system, and then it just flushed out things, and I feel so good, and like there's this strength in the body that I feel is the thing. And then there's this clarity of mind also that I've got. I do want to keep trying it, probably like 10 days in a row, and like also eat really good food, or like maybe just drink juices. I will see how it goes. This has been my experience. I also wanted to share that while doing the enema, I feel nausea and I feel dizzy, and I have this like strange feeling in my leg, especially when the like water is kind of going up in my large intestines. And it's just such a nice feeling to have not junk and shit in your gut. This time I put around a liter of water in one go, and then I stayed for like 10 minutes and allowed it to move in my large intestine so that everything gets hydrated. And then after 10 minutes I went to poop, and it was good. The poop didn't smell much. The stuff was from yesterday. I know it what I ate, and all of that stuff came out. Not everything though, some of it has come out already. So when I emptied my bowels in the morning, I had stuff coming from day before yesterday in the night, whatever I ate. I had to share this, guys. I know it's a little bit strange, but I have to share it. I'm sure you're looking for detailed input. So yesterday I did not shit, and that's why I did not do enema. I think it's because I had cleansed my large intestines already day before yesterday with enema. So yesterday I ate a lot, and I felt how uncomfortable. Not really uncomfortable, it was just not the highest state to be in to eat so much. So there are learnings that I'm getting from doing enema. Number one is to chew the food properly. I can see it in my poop. And number two is to not eat too much. I think we don't need so much. Even though I'm eating fruit, I think I can try and experimenting with eating less food. So yesterday I had 3-4 meals with like watermelon juice, and even though like a normal person probably would say it's not so much for a fruitarian to eat, because you need so much calories, but it was really good to not eat and to fast. And I'm just really enjoying that emptiness, and like learning how to be empty, I think. Yeah, this is something that I'm getting from enema as well, and I want to keep doing it for a few days, and I'll keep you guys updated. I love you. Mwah. I also wanted to share with you guys what am I eating, because it's important what you put in your system while you're doing enema. What can happen is that the food is too hard or it's too bad, and then you're cleaning your large intestines, and it can hurt it. So it's important to eat good food while you are doing enema. And I am a fruitarian, and what I'm trying to do is to eat fruits only and as little nuts as possible, which is normally my normal diet as well. But what I'm trying to do is have a lot of juices. I For example, the first day I had juices all day long and only had one papaya meal in the night, so that I clean my small intestines with juices, and the food that goes in is very soft. And yesterday also I had only fruits and lots of juices, and I'm also having lots of coconut water, so keeping my body really hydrated. I think this is something that can help me a lot to clean out stuff very fast. So that, you know, for example, if I'm hydrating and not putting too much food in my system while doing enema, then there's less to flush out, and then things will get hydrated inside, and then whatever is in between enema water can go and flush it out. So cleaning from the top with juices, and like eating very hydrating food and having a lot of coconut water, and cleaning from down from with enema. So this is what I'm trying to follow, and I hope this is useful for you. I feel like I could use my time more to enjoy and just like learn than create today. Yeah, yes. So now I'm gonna eat some pineapple so that things keep pushing down. Otherwise, one day I didn't poop, man. I was also feeling a little bit of lost, but I don't know if it was related to enema. Maybe it's just my obsession with gut microbiome, or maybe my gut microbiome was regenerating. I don't know. I was feeling a sense of purposelessness, which like came and then just went away. I think it happens sometimes. I usually don't have it, but it was like gone very fast. So bye-bye purposelessness. So it's okay, like, you know, it was a floating feeling that came and then it just went away. Guys, this is extra footage. So and I was feeling low in energy and just like a little bit sick. Not sick, but like just less energy. I'm feeling good today though. I also lose my poop every time. The next day I don't poop. I need to clean myself. If you have reached till the end of the video, do write kiss on the cheek in the comments below, and do like and subscribe, share it with your friends, spread the message. So do share your experience if you have tried enema in the comments below, and I love you. Mwah.